Amazfit 2 is the latest and greatest coming from Huami, a Xiaomi subsidiary. Also known as the Amazfit 2 Stratos, this is the follow-up smartwatch of the first Amazfit model, which got quite a great success in the past year. I will show you the features first, and then a tutorial for flashing English ROM, which will enable you to use all the features that you want. The Amazfit 2 will apparently arrive with two versions, the 2 and the 2S, with the latter one offering a delightful leather strap and coming with sapphire glass on top. The coverage of the non-S model is tempered glass. Unboxing experience is expectedly above average and is always welcome for a $200 product, while the 2S will cost another $60–80 on top of that. Inside the box you will get a user guide and the charging station, which is also used for USB communication and for flashing ROMs. The design of the watch is beautiful. This is where style meets modern technology. It looks classy and feels premium. Carbon fiber is covering the sides, and that is quite a brilliant idea, because the texture will mask most of the scratches it will get in time with daily usage. Buttons are made of stainless steel. Likely the most unique feature is the transflective display. The more light comes into the screen, the better visibility you have. And there is of course backlight, which helps you to see when it's dark. If you're outside and there's a lot of sunshine or bright light, the transflective display reflects the light and keeps the display visible at no additional power cost. And from all that, it's the battery life that benefits most. Standby without sync and GPS drops the battery between 5 and 10% per day. If sync is on, continuous heart rate, GPS and all the other goodies are used from time to time, you may count on up to 5 days of operation. This is likely the best battery life ratio for a device of such kind right now. Hardware-wise, it impresses once again. 512 RAM, 4 GB of ROM and in-house developed Xiaomi chip featuring ultra-low power consumption with unprecedented performance. You may count on GPS, sleeping monitor, a heart rate monitor even in continuous mode, alarms, a sport assistant and much more than that. And everything mentioned comes on top of the well-known smartwatch capabilities as step count, push notifications, call reminders, phone finder and many others. And that whole thing is waterproof and good enough for swimming. Let's see now through the menus. Swiping left and right is going to navigate you through the main features. Should you want to change anything, use the middle button. I can imagine that some of the next app updates will give ways to adjust the button's behavior. The swipe left and right functions are quite many. You may choose some of them to be disabled via the app. Swipe up and you will see notifications. Swipe down and you will get quick access to the screen brightness and the watch settings. Continuous tap on the main screen will let you quickly adjust the watch faces. There are some options that you can control via the watch and some which are adjustable via the app. And in the app everything is nicely grouped and translated in English. Please note that I'm not using the Amazfit app from Google Play Store, but the one downloaded from the Amazfit 2 micro website. If you have bought the Chinese edition of the Amazfit 2, you likely will prefer to run it in English. So here is the procedure. First step is to make sure that you have installed the Android, ADB and fastboot drivers. Sometimes that can be challenging. I use minimal ADB and fastboot and most of the drivers get installed automatically, but you may still need to download and install some of them additionally. I will put a link with more details in the description below this video. Once you have ADB and fastboot running, we can proceed to unlocking the bootloader. Follow the procedure and put the needed information on unlockamazfit.com. It takes around 2 to 3 days to get the unlock code. This one is being sent to you via an email. Once you have it, you can unlock the bootloader and we proceed to flashing. From everything mentioned so far, this is the easiest and quickest step. Crackly disk from the XDA forums has created a convenient batch file, so you double-click, read the instructions, sit back and relax. After around 15 minutes, you will have the watch booted in Italian language. Navigate to the menus that I'm showing and choose English, and you're done. So this is how you get your Xiaomi Amazfit 2 Stratos fully working in English, and I'm sure it will quickly become an important smart companion to help you with various daily activities. I'm looking forward to the next software updates, and as soon as something significant appears, expect another video about it. The Me for All Channels team wishes you now a pleasant day. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon!